Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're unpacking 6 of the most common myths about artificial intelligence. AI is changing the way we work, create, and solve problems, but there's still a lot of confusion out there. So let's clear the air and break it all down, one myth at a time.
Myth number 1. AI is only for big corporations with huge budgets. That used to be true, but not anymore. With cloud-based tools, open-source models, and no-code platforms, small businesses and solo entrepreneurs can now access AI at a fraction of the cost. AI has never been more approachable. Myth number 2. AI will replace everyone's job. The truth? AI replaces tasks, not people. Repetitive, time-consuming work can be automated, but that frees up humans for more creative, complex, and meaningful work. It's about collaboration, not competition. Myth number 3. You need to be a tech expert to use AI. Nope. Many AI tools today are built for ease of use, no coding required. If you can use email or drag-and-drop editors, you can use AI. What matters most is understanding your goals, not the algorithms behind them. Myth number 4. AI can function without humans. While AI can do a lot, it still needs human input, oversight, and context. Models rely on data, and data can be biased, incomplete, or outdated. The best results come from people and machines working together. Myth number 5. All AI is created equal. Not quite. AI comes in many forms, each designed for different purposes. Some models are built for natural conversation, like answering customer questions or generating text. Others specialize in image recognition or creation, like Stable Diffusion. And then there are models like RAG, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, which pull in relevant information from documents or databases and then generate a tailored response. So no, not all AI is the same. Using the right kind of AI for the right task, whether it's search, creativity, analysis, or automation, is what really determines its impact. And finally, myth number 6. AI is just a passing trend. In reality, AI is becoming a foundational part of how businesses, governments, and individuals operate. From healthcare and logistics to marketing and education, it's here to stay and evolving fast. The global AI market is projected to reach over $1.8 trillion by 2030, driven by advancements in technology, increasing adoption across industries, and the growing demand for AI-driven solutions. This remarkable growth is being fueled by several key factors, including increasing adoption across sectors, advancements in computing power, and government initiatives and investments. Embracing AI now can give your business a competitive edge and position you at the forefront of this technological revolution.
AI isn't magic, but it is powerful when you understand how to use it. The more we debunk these myths, the more we can focus on what really matters, using AI responsibly and creatively to solve real problems. What other AI myths have you heard? Drop them in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let's keep learning together and make AI a tool that works for everyone.